Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the TikTok and you need to update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you need to go back and open TikTok application. Then you need to go onto your profile. So here you can see that I only follow one person, but let's suppose if you are following thousands of people, so there is no other method possible that you can unfollow everyone at once. So you need to unfollow each of the person manually. That is the only option possible. If you report a problem and in settings and privacy, go down report a problem, but TikTok will not help you here. I already tried that method. So you need to manually unfollow each person that you follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.